Hi, this is Greg from Business Automated, and in the previous episodes I was showing you how to use Airtable social media calendar to post to Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram Reels, as well as post to your Slack community. Today I will show you how to post to Discord communities automatically from social media calendar in Airtable. Let's get going. Alright, so here we have a brand new community on Discord, and we will create a new channel called Updates. It will be a text channel, and to this channel we'll be programmatically posting information from Airtable. So let's start with one of the text only posts. We'll duplicate this one. Okay, and for posting this message to Discord, we will use our integration inside of make.com Integromat. So this is the scenario that I have been already using for the previous connection. So what we will do, we will continue building on top of that and add integration to Discord. So let's start looking for Discord. You can also find links in the description of this video how to connect to other of those social media accounts, and you can find the links to the previous episodes. So right now what we would like to do, we would like to create a message. So we will select the module create a message. We will connect this one to the common router. So this is the router in the middle that is linking all the different channels, and here in between we basically distinguish whether specific route contains this specific name of module inside of the channel list. So we will do the same thing for Discord. Important, its array operator contains. Okay, and here what we will do, we will now create a connection to Discord if you don't have this connection. So basically press add and connect to your Discord server. So here we are connecting to Discord, and we need to approve permission given to Integromat, which is create commands in our server. Unfortunately, it does not allow to have access to Snow Crisis. And the next step that you need to do is create to which server you want to connect. These are all the permissions that you allow this integration to do. You can keep them all enabled. And the next step is selecting the channel to which you would like to post. In our case, we'll select updates. And here for the message, we will select the copy. We can include hashtags, although it might not be relevant in terms of Discord, but let's just do it for the display. Okay. And now we need to mark that our content is approved so that it shows up in the approved for publishing view, which is the view that here make.com Integromat is using to search Airtable for posts that should be published. So this is this step. Okay, so we have one post there. Let's see how it works. And there was a little chime, means we have received a message inside of Discord. So you can see this is text only post. Okay, what about posting messages with images or videos? That's also possible. So let's do the same thing here. Let's duplicate the record, and this is the record that contains a video. So let's move it down. We'll change the channel to be Discord, and everything else we keep the same way. So now let's go back to make.com Integromat, and now we will need another module. So we will need to use a module called post a message with a file. So we'll use that message. I already know that it will require to have a module similar to this, which is called get a file. So that's what we will do. And now we will do a little trick. So we will clone that module over there, and let's add a router, and we will put the router here in between. Okay, actually it's added router here. Yeah, that's what we need to do. And now we will delete this module here. And the reason I'm doing this is I'm just lazy, don't want to copy the conditions here. So the filter conditions remain the same once you delete the module, and they're being attached to the next module afterwards. So connecting here, and the messages will use the create message only in the case when the content does not exist. Okay, so no content. no images, no attachments. And this we will post if there are attachments. Here we'll have content exists. Okay, so this is how we will download the file. And now using post a message with a file, we already got automatically data from this HTTP module connected to the Discord module. We could also map them manually, but that works and that's all fine. We are already having our connection. So what we will do, we'll put the content here with the content that we want to post and then with the hashtag. Okay, let's do auto align and let's see what it does. We see again the text message, since this is the message that was approved here, so we will change it to the status live, and let's post this one here. And let's run Integromat one more time. You can see that has been successfully executed. And this message has been posted into the announcement channel. The reason for that was that when I was initially creating the integration with Discord, during the authentication process, it has asked me already at that stage to which channel I would like to be posting. So if you would like to change it, you would have to remove the connection in Make. So let's do it now. So to remove Integromat over here, we will have to go to the user settings, and then in the authorize apps, we will deauthorize Integromat. Okay, so now let's go back to our scenario, and then in the post message with a file, we will do add account, click save. And right now we are about to create a connection. This connection will allow Integromat to create commands. We are selecting the segment in which we would like to do it, and the next step is when we are selecting a channel where we would like to post it. So this is the moment when we need to select a channel to which we will be posting it. So if you would like to do it for different channels, you would have to add this connection again. And let's click authorize. Alright, so back in integromatmake.com, we can see that the new connection is already selected here, and the content would be posted to the channel that we have selected during authentication. And inside of create message, we can actually change the channel. So we can post the create message to a different channel, but let's keep it to the same channel, to the updates. Okay, and we will just add the finishing touch. We'll clone the update record module for Airtable so that whenever this message is posted, it changes to the live status. So we have added this one here, and let's clone it one more time. Okay, so right now the scenario is complete, and let's press run once. We can see that both of posts have been posted. We also got the chime from Discord, and we can see the updates inside of the updates channel. So this is the update that went with the text only, and below there is an update that went with video. All right, let's try one more with image. And it also showed up with the image. So everything works. The scenario changed, the post changed to live status, and that's it. So now you're here, you can like this message, and you can also like this channel. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good day.